Now speaking as a vice chairman of WEWE, mutazunguka sana. Eugene, I'm saying this so that wewe ni wakili na usikie. Na you sit in hiyo kamati. Wakati wa kutangaza Kalonzo ni sasa. Hakuna story nyingine. And let me explain this, just like the good lawyer I am. The only way to create hope that there is a better future for Kenya. Ayene ngweza odhioma. The only way to create a future for Kenya is to make sure that we have a government in waiting, with a presidential candidate, with a minister for finance, with a minister for environment, so that we are able to tackle the government. Na tutangoja mutangaze. Na we are sasa hata mukitafuta ona mwamanda amutapata a candidate like Dr. Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka. And I'm happy the church is speaking. Hata nyinyi mukitafuta hakuna mwingine mutapata. And it's important for us because we say the past is the past. Lakini sasa tufanye mambo tofauti kama Azimio. Tusingoje 2027 July mwanze kuambia Kalonzo nataka kumuinterview, mumuitishe kipande yake na nini, hizo maneno hapana. Hapana. Alizaliwa wapi? Alisoma wapi? This gentleman, even the devil knows him. Ona satani iwezi Kalonzo iwazomie miao na mune wezi miao. Tiwa. So that some of the things that are happening in this country, we now need possibly a good lawyer like Dr. Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka to put things straight. And I say so without any fear of contradiction. And I say so because, and I'm saying this so that musikie. And kwa sababu niliachwa na hiyo maneno kwa akili yangu na my late father, nitarudia. So that everybody who thought that Mutula Kalonzo alienda, aliwacha mawazo yake na watu wengine. Na aliniambia this on 30th of December 2007. Akamba muiko akwata mundungi. Ubwata Dr. Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka. Muiko ambongi. Na muona tukiletie makuweni tuisovia Kalonzo. Muka manyonu tumuendete mumuenda munango inyuma ketui. Muka manyonu tumuendete makuweni inyuma masaku mumuenda munango. Na muhimu sovia na ndaya yake. Mwewe watu yokita mwewe na minority leader. Tuikau na itia tuikau mwingi. Tio mwezi. Arumaiva atio mezi, lakini tuweka nesani kenda withi munene witu ni wane wandaya. Na muinena ikanisa asiayu mbaino ya leo kwatana. Nikenda tulike kindu niki. Tuika ane wandaya ingi. Tukakuwa mebuko zandu. Nyene no yeto kuwa mebuko zandu. Tuenda tukanena akikamba tukaketha we wacha status. Ulotho wetu uno. Pe umwe. Ngaya mwekane sana imwathi masante.